Okay, since the last video I've edited this, so when I double click it draws 4 smaller rectangles which are going to be the windows of our house. So I want to draw a large rectangle around the outside. Now I could do it at the end after he's drawn the 4 rectangles, or I could do it at the beginning. Now I happen to know where he is at the beginning. It's easier than making him move minus, face the right way, move up, and then reset him to face 90 degrees. So what I'll do is I'll draw the larger rectangle first. So when I receive large rectangle, we're going to do something very similar to when I receive rectangle. But instead of moving 100 steps, I'll move, let's try 400 by 300. And what it's going to do is broadcast large rectangle, and you have to wait until it finishes. If not, you'll get some unwanted effects. Okay, I think he's still a little too... No, that might be okay. So then let's try and broadcast a small triangle. Doesn't look too bad, but we need to, before we start, move a little bit to the right. 10 steps seems a bit small. I'll try 20. Okay, and then I also want him to move down by 10 steps, and before I did turn 90 degrees, move 10 steps and turn him back. So I can do something similar. Move 90 degrees to face downwards, move, let's try 20, and then I move back by 90 degrees. We'll click green to give it a go. I haven't lifted up the pen at the right point, but I'm getting there. So I could think about this and probably line it up correctly. The next thing to do would be to make a big triangle, and probably at the beginning, before I broadcast the 4 smaller ones, I'll draw that triangle as the roof of the house. I'm sure from here you'll be able to experiment and you'll be able to finish this house.